What's up everybody, it's TC and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a pair of sneakers. For those that don't know me, I am a sneakerhead. What is a sneakerhead? A sneakerhead is somebody who loves sneakers, somebody who collects sneakers, and that is me. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of Beyonce's Ivy Park by Adidas, the Signal Green. So stay tuned. As you can see, the sneakers come in this nice box. I ordered mine off of GOAT, so I didn't get them like the day that they were released, but I did get them too. But this is the box that they come in. It's a mint green. I don't know if you can tell, the sunlight is really just blaring in here today. Okay, but you can see that it says Ivy Park on the box, and then if you turn it around, you have the classic Adidas logo. All right, now typically when you open up a box of sneakers, it's, you know, basic. You just open up the lid. Now the Ivy Park box is a little bit different. So with the Ivy Park box, instead of opening the lid, right, you're gonna take it out like this. And then when you wanna put them back in the box, you just push it in like that. So as you can see, it is the box, and the sneakers are inside of this bag that says Ivy Park on it and Adidas. And then inside of my box, I have my GOAT sticker, and I also have the verification card. So basically what this means is that the people at GOAT, they go through this checklist and make sure that these sneakers are real. So they've been verified. That means my sneakers are real, they're legit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the bag that the shoes came in. All right, drum roll please. All right. Boom! Okay. Tell me these aren't fire, right? Like, I really love these shoes. All right, here's the other one. And it comes with this like little Ivy Park keychain type thing, which is cool. Now, me personally, I would take this off because I don't want it dragging on the street when I'm walking. But it is cool. Like maybe I would put it on a backpack or a purse or something, or even if I had like a sweatsuit or something, maybe I would hang it off of the pants or something like that. So it is cute. I would just take it off of the shoe. So these shoes are called the Signal Greens, and it makes sense, right? Signal green. I think of a traffic light when I see these, right? So we're talking about signals, and this yellow, like it just stands out. It's just so, I don't even know like what to call it. It's just so fire, right? Now the material on here is a little bit different than some other shoes. Like I have these Superstars behind me, right? The entire sneaker is just, it's leather. It's a leather material, right? But this is a little bit different, okay? So if you get close, you can see up here that this is suede, right? And there's a lot of different materials on here that I'm not exactly sure what they are, but I know for sure that up here is suede. So you would have to use a special cleaner if you got these dirty. So obviously I have not worn these yet. The tags are still on these, but if I were to wear these, I would wear them with something very, very basic, because this is what I like to call a statement sneaker, okay? So when you're wearing these sneakers, you want the sneaker to stand out, right? So if I'm wearing these, I would wear something like all black. I might wear just, you know, some leggings and a black hoodie or crew neck or something like that, and just have these speak for themselves, because that's truly what they will do. They are going to speak for themselves. So now that you guys have seen the unboxing, the last thing that I'm going to do is put these on my feet and basically show you what I think an outfit should look like with the signal rings. So be right back. So there you have it, guys. That was my unboxing of the signal rings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you want these shoes, you should definitely check out the Adidas website, or go onto a resale app or website such as GOAT. That's where I got mine from. All right. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.